Alright, so we had a problem with our fuel line. It comes off of the fuel filter, Racor here. And goes up to the fuel pump. Up here, I noticed it was all wet. And then when I took the old one off, it was barely had any fuel in it. So I'm assuming that it was leaking badly. So luckily I was able to go down and get one of these made. Local hydraulic shop had all the stuff. So I got a new line, I'm gonna put that in. Finish tightening it here. Going early. Snug. I got this hole plugged, and I put this diaper up here to catch any fuel spilling. Yeah, that thing was bone dry, which is leads me to believe it definitely was seeping. Got it snug. All right. Should be all set. Alright, so I'm checking the Racor line. This is the line going up front to the Racor gauge. So I've got my vacuum pump on it, and I'm just verifying that it's not leaking anywhere. So it's looking good. I put vacuum on it, and it looks like it's holding it really good. So, and the gauge up front is reading, so I think we're all set. That's me leaking it down there. So I think we're going to put this back on. I think my air problem was this fuel line going to the fuel pump. So I just got this new line. So hopefully we should be all set. We're pulling this Racor filter because I think it's clogged up, and yep. Oops, I had a bag. filter. Doesn't look like it's tall enough, does it? I guess it is. I need my knife. Come on. It's hard to do with love, though. Come on, you sucker. That. I'll fill this up. Alright, so we got the hose changed out, and we changed out the Racor filter, so we should be all good to go, hopefully. Fired up. We got the block heater on, so it's keeping good temperature in the block. So it'll be nice and warm tomorrow. We're headed for Lawrenceburg, Tennessee, I think. But we got to go on I-24 northbound over the Mont Eagle Pass, so should be interesting.